My name is Mariam. I'm from Palestine and I go to Cesar colleges. The theme of the banquet was inspired by the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and it's called Sweet Adventure. The goal for our banquet is to make the guests have a memorable experience, and we want to have fun together as a team. We want to build our team building skill, and we want to just make it a memorable night for everyone. Being the assistant general manager, it really teaches you patience, and it also teaches you time management and organization, which are two skills that I was lacking in the beginning. I can use what I've learned throughout this process in the future in many ways, as it's taught me how to manage my time better. So now I can actually make a proper plan and follow through with it and delegate tasks better. The thing I'm most proud of throughout this event has got to be the way we work together as a team, because if it wasn't for my team members and if it wasn't for our support and motivation together, I don't think we would be where we are today. So I'm very proud of my team.